Hi everyone, we are looking at adding doubles and near doubles. Remember, when we are adding doubles, we are adding the same number 2 times. Miss Sanders' computer is going to die here, so I get my computer plugged in. Okay, so we're adding the same number 2 times. When we're doing near doubles, that means we're adding the same number 2 times and then either going up one more or going backwards one less. Okay, so let's look at the example. Here it says, complete the example, then solve problems 1 through 5. 2 red blocks and 3 blue blocks. How many blocks in all? When I'm looking at numbers on a number line, I can see that the number 2 and the number 3 are right next to each other on the number line. So I know that 3 has a group of 2 inside of it, right? So I can add my doubles, 2 plus 2, and then add 1 more, right? So I have 2 plus 2 equals 4 more, and then 1 more is 5. Here I have 2 plus 3. Is that the same amount of examples? Yeah, same amount of cubes. So my answer is still 5 blocks. Let's look at number 1. Number 1 says Joe has 3 pencils. She finds 4 more pencils. How many pencils does Joe have in all? I'm going to grab a different color. I'm going to grab, I like using red and blue because they are darker colors to see. But when we're looking at the number 3 and 4, we can see that 3 and 4, they are also neighbor numbers. They are near numbers on the number line, right? They're right next to each other. So I can see that I can add 3 twice, right? So here I have 1, 2, 3, and here I have 1, it's not going to let me, 2, 3, right? And then 1 more, right? So 3 plus 3, hey, what am I going to do here? I know 3 plus 4 is, here's 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? But I can take that 4 and I can draw 1, 2, 3, 4 dots right there, and I can divide that 4 into 3 right here to do my addition double, and then add 1 more, right? So 3 plus 3 is 6, and 1 more is 7, and I get the same total. Nice job. Let's go to number 2. There are 4 balls. There are 4 balls. 2 of those balls are big. The rest are small. Sounds like they're giving me the total or the whole of all of them together right now. So I am going to draw 4. There are 4 balls all together, right? 2 are big. So I'm going to make 2 of them big. Oops. And I'm going to move it down. This one I'm going to make big also. And I'm going to move that down also. So those 2 balls are big and the other 2 are small, right? So it gave us the total. So that was our whole. 2 of them were big, right? So I'm going to circle 2. 2 of them were big. The rest are small. How many are small? 1, 2. 2 were small. Okay, let's move over to page 46. And it says 2 shirts are yellow and 3 shirts are green. how many shirts in all? 2 and 3 are neighbor numbers. They're near numbers, right? So because they're near numbers, there is 2 in a group of 3. So I can look to see my picture. I have 2 here and 3 here. I know I can add 2 plus 2, right? 2 plus 2 and 1 more, right? So I can do 2 plus 2 and 1 more. Let's do our rhyme of 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4 more. And 1 more, 4, 5, right? So my total is 5. Now, I still have 2. There's my first add end of 2. And I have 1, 2, 3 here. That's my second add end. Did my picture change? No. So my total of all of those t-shirts are going to be the same. I still have 5 t-shirts. My mouse is doing a weird thing on me right now. Uh-oh. There, 5 t-shirts. All right. Really? 5. Okay. Number 4 says some ducks were swimming. Some. We don't know how many that is, right? So I'm going to put that line right there representing my mystery number. Okay? Some ducks were swimming, right? And 4 more came. Oh, did they go away? No, they came. Now there are 8 ducks. Oh, so at the end, there are 8. How many were swimming? So there were some here, and then 4 more came, and now there is a total of 8. My total is 8. I'm going to draw my total. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Does it look like that is a double? Yeah. So there were some swimming, right? And 4 more came. And then I had a total of 8, right? So what is my addition double? 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's great. So that missing addend was 4. There were 4 swimming to begin with. Number 5 says Jared has 4 flowers. He picks 3 more flowers. How many flowers does Jared have in all? Are 3 and 4 next to each other on the number line? Let's count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. They are next to each other on the number line. So that means I can have an addition double. So here I have 4 plus 4 minus 1. Here I have 4 plus 3. Let's see. I can look at my picture and I can see that those 3 flowers are lined up just like these 3 flowers, right? So that's kind of like 3 plus 3, right? And then 1 more plus 1. So that gives me a total of, there goes my mouse again, a total of 7. 3, 6, count on, 7. So 4 plus 3 is 7. But why did it say 4 plus 4 minus 1? Let me draw a picture right here. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So here it showed 4 plus 4 because 4 and 3 are next to each other on the number line. I could go either way. I could do 3 plus 3, right? Or I could do 4 plus 4. But if I'm putting 4 plus 4, that means I'm going to have 1 more than I'm supposed to. supposed to. So I have to take away that 1. So I'm going to make a line through and X out that 1. So my total here is still 7. Excellent job. Let's count back from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,